I had an interesting problem come up today, and I wanted to see how others in the process world would handle it. We have a situation where a doctor will write a prescription for a patient, and then we'll receive that in an email. We'll take the email, we talk to an AI, in this case Claude, and it tries to parse out what the medication is, and then the medication is established for a list of illegal medications, and then we send that off to the pharmacy to be filled. Okay, great. It's simplified, but that's the big picture. The problem is that sometimes we can't make out exactly what the doctor is saying. Doctors sometimes, believe it or not, have not great handwriting. So, the approach that we are thinking about is to essentially use the AI to try to guess what the doctor meant in terms of a medication. And then within that context, to take the medication and send the doctor a note saying, hey, we are holding this for 24 hours. This is what we think you said. This is our confidence interval for it. And if you don't explicitly approve this, we're going to cancel this request. The idea here being that we want to use like a false negative model because we don't want to make a mistake and give someone the wrong prescription, the wrong dosage. At the same time, we don't want to throw up our hands and say, you weren't perfect and we're not going to be able to move forward. No one will use a process like that. Now, if this were like a shopping cart or something along those lines, I would probably take a false positive approach. I would say, you know what, we didn't find the potatoes you wanted, but we're actually going to recommend this other kind of potato. We're guessing that this is probably good enough. But in the medical world, with people's healthcare and their lives and their well-being, that's not good enough. So I think a false negative is the right way to go. Let me know what you think about this. How would you approach it? What are some other alternatives that I haven't thought about? All right, thanks.